Hello everyone. In today's concepts, we'll see with structures. Structure is a user-defined data type. In C, a way to group a data that permits data to vary in type. This mechanism is called structure. For short, struct. Structure contains group of dissimilar data. Each data item is of different data types. A structure is a collection of data items where each item is identified as its type and name. The syntax of structure is struct tag name, that means structure name, then data members of a structure. It can be member 1, member 2, and member n, which corresponds to its data type. And variable name indicates a structure variable. This is an example of structure. Struct employee, char, name, age, salary. So your name, age, salary are the members of the structure, and person is a structure variable. Or you can have another structure example. It is employee, then char, name. It is a name of an employee, and age, salary. In the above example, creates a structure and variable name is person that has three fields: name, age, salary. Name is a character array. Age is an integer value which represents the age of a person. Salary is a float which represents the salary of individuals. Assign value to fields. To assign a value to each member, we can use a dot as a structure member operator used to select a particular members of the structure. You can say here person dot name. That means structure person is a structure variable, name is a member of a structure. So we are going to use a assignment operator and we are giving a value to this name. The same way person dot age will initialize with a value 10 and person dot salary we initialize with a value 35,000. Initialization of the other way of initialization you can do the person2, which means that here creating another structure variable which will be equals to Sanvi, 35, 30,000. That means Sanvi is the name of the employee, 35 is a age, 30,000 is a salary. Type defined structure. The structure definition associated with the keyword typedef is called type defined structure. The syntax one is typedef struct. Then there are again members and typedef structure variable. Here the typedef keyword is used at the beginning of the definition, and by using typedef, user defined data type can be obtained. Struct is a keyword which tells structure is defined to the compiler. The members are declared with their data type. Type struct name is not a valid variable. It is user defined data type or structure name. This is another syntax. We have it for struct name. Then the members of the structure. Then again, okay, without creating there itself a member, you can create it outside the structure also. That is typedef struct name. So this is one more way of declaring a structure variable. You can see there we have taken out the typedef struct and we have not given any name to it. And finally, we have given human being as a structure variable name of the type, and it is user defined data type. Structure within a structure is called a nested structure. There is a possibility to embed a structure within a structure. There are two ways to embed it. Embed the structure. The structures are defined separately and variable of structure type is declared inside the definition of another structure. The accessing of the variable of structure type that are nested inside another structure in the same way as accessing other member of the structure. The following example shows two structures where both the structures are defined separately. Typedef struct int month, int day, int year, date. Typedef struct. So here we can see that human being person 1. We are creating a new variable, structure variable. A person born on February 11 would have a values of data struct. Okay, so this is a way of initializing the value for month, date, and year. The other way of doing it is placing a structure inside another structure itself. You can see that we are creating a structures one structure inside, and we are keeping another structure which contains a date of birth, and inside your employee structure. So array of structure. So this we'll discuss in the next concept.